Purupati Venkata Suryanarayana Prabhas Raju, popularly known as Prabhas, is an Indian film actor, one of the most popular faces in India and highest paid actor of Indian cinema. Taking the nation by storm, Prabhas earned a far and wide fan base across the world, becoming the favorite amongst the kids and the elderly alike. Prabhas has featured in Forbes India's Celebrity 100 list 3 times since 2015 based on his income and popularity. Prabhas made his acting debut with the Telugu drama Iswar and later attained his breakthrough with the romantic action film Varsham. His notable works include Chhatrapati, Bujjigadu, Billa, Darling, Mr. Perfect and Mirchi. Prabhas has won a national award for his Telugu film Mirchi and he won the award for Best Actor. His portrayal of Bahubali did not just make the magnum opus a mammoth hit but also helped expand Prabhas' fan base from Tollywood to all parts of the country and beyond the borders. Prabhas' epic action film Bahubali, directed by S.S. Rajamouli, which is the 4th highest grossing Indian film till date. Its sequel Bahubali 2, The Conclusion, which became the first Indian film ever to gross over 1,000 crores and is the 2nd highest grossing Indian film today. Prabhas won the Saima Award for Best Actor for his performance in Bahubali 2, The Conclusion. He is the first South Indian actor to receive a wax sculpture at Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. Idle Brain stated that he had a unique style and macho charm in his screen presence. Prabhas emerged as the most desirable man in India. He is also one of the most eligible bachelors in India. Prabhas has rejected over 6,000 marriage proposals. The superstar is not just a favorite amongst women but also idealized by the young men. Ruler of millions of hearts, Prabhas, however, is a very private person. Therefore, every time the actor gets clicked, the picture breaks the internet. Prabhas' next big outing is the high-octane thriller Salar from the director of KGF, Prashant Neel, and a film under production, namely the romantic drama Radhe Shyam. The motion poster of the film has already garnered huge response and there is a great anticipation to witness Prabhas in the film already. Prabhas has signed 2 other films. He would play the titular role in Adipurush, an adaptation of the epic Ramayana, an untitled scientific film featuring Deepika Padukone and Amitabh Bachchan. In addition to acting in films, he is also the brand ambassador for the Mahindra TUV 300. Prabhas has been approached by several brands. Although he hasn't agreed to any of them as of now, he has declined a whopping 18 crore worth of brand endorsement. Prabhas supports many humanitarian causes. The Bahubali actor has donated a sum of 4 crores for the cause and 50 lakhs to help daily wage workers of the Telugu industry amid the lockdown.